How to factory reset OnePlus 13S settings and recovery mode. Method 1. Factory reset via settings. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Step 2. Access System Settings. Scroll down and tap on System. Step 3. Reset Options. Tap on Reset Options. Step 4. Erase all data. Select Erase all data. Factory reset. Step 5. Confirm reset. Tap Reset Phone, then confirm by selecting Erase Everything. Step 6. Authenticate. Enter your PIN, password, or pattern if prompted. Step 7. Wait for completion. Your device will restart and begin the reset process, which may take several minutes. Method 2. Factory reset via recovery mode. Step 1. Power off. Press and hold the power button, then tap Power off. Step 2. Enter recovery mode. Press and hold the volume down and power buttons simultaneously. Release both buttons when the OnePlus logo appears. Step 3. Select language. Use the volume buttons to navigate and the power button to select your preferred language. Step 4. White data. Choose white data and cache. Then select Erase Everything. Step 5. Confirm. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the reset. Step 6. Reboot. After the process completes, select Reboot System now.